Hey there. We all know that email marketing is one of the most effective ways to grow your business because you're writing to a warm audience. But here's the catch. If you don't have a growing email list, your leads will dwindle. The key is consistent lead generation. You see, you need a mix of evergreen lead magnets like PDFs, newsletters, or quizzes that work for you 24/7. But you also need event-based lead magnets like webinars, workshops, or challenges that help drive engagement and urgency. But choosing the right lead magnet can feel time-consuming. So here's a tip. Check your social, email, or podcast analytics and find the most popular piece of content. Could you create a lead magnet around that popular topic? If so, here's where it just got easier. Did you know you can brainstorm lead magnet ideas using the voice mode in ChatGPT's phone app? All you have to do is download the app, and using your voice can help you feel more relaxed and creative, like you're brainstorming with a friend. But even the best ideas take time to create. That's why I created Amplify Your List Building with AI, a private membership for solopreneurs who are ready to transition into AI-driven marketing. Hi, I'm Marisa, online strategist and AKA AI Whisper. Together we'll master lead generation strategies that build your email list, boost sales, and give you back precious time to focus on building your business rather than managing it. So whether you're tech savvy or tech cautious, this membership is designed to give you the confidence to transition into AI-powered marketing with custom GPTs created by me, a certified copywriter and brand expert, to eliminate lead generation overwhelm. So if you're ready to see what's possible for your business in 2025, click the above link right below my name to learn more and meet my AI team. Take care, and I hope to see you there.